Hey guys, so I'm outside cooking. This is November 2nd, 2025. You know, I tried to revamp my Bearded Italian channel and took all the music stuff off there because it was just, you know, a mess of all kinds of stuff that I like to do, which is cooking, music, motorcycles, fishing, goodness gracious, you name it, I pretty much like to do it. But I wanted to get back to the basics on my cooking channel and get back to cooking. I started in 2020, and I've got to know a bunch of you guys. Here's some of my magnets. I've got tons of stickers from all of you YouTube supporters, and these are some of the magnets that I have received, and a couple of koozies, Man Kitchen Recipes, and Tilly Trucking, which is actually here in Oklahoma near where I work. But another fella by the name of John Berry, he lives in around the Oklahoma City area. He sent me a decal, which I'm really super stoked about. Okie Smoking. If you guys haven't seen his channel, you can get on over there and give him some support. And I'm not quite for sure how this decal is going to work, but it comes with some instructions. I think I'm going to do some research here on this, but I think I might put this on a white Yeti or something like that, and that's going to be really awesome and cool, and that's what I plan on doing with this. John, I really appreciate the kind words. Wanted to send a decal sticker, and he still has my magnet on his Pit Boss, and he says he enjoys my videos, and man, I enjoy your videos too, my friend. It's awesome meeting people on the YouTube, and kind of cool seeing how many people from Oklahoma is doing this. We've got quite a few Oklahoma cooks out there. I have my original logo look like this. These are magnets, fridge magnets. So my email address is thebeardeditalian@gmail.com. Give me a shout if you want one of these magnets, or I've got some stickers too. That was kind of when I revamped my channel and was kind of doing some music on there too. But I've moved all of my music over to TBI Music Room. It's called Brian's Music Room. And I've also got plans on separating my mocktail videos. I've got probably a couple of dozen of those right now that I need to definitely get out and you know, put them on a separate channel, and I'm gonna call it TBI Mocktail Dreams. And I actually have the channel up, I just don't have any videos on it right now. All in due time, my friends.